Hello guys, welcome back. We are continuing in our Q&A video series and hope you are liking it. So in this video we are going to talk about this topic which I got comment like here, resources that does not load table records until filters are applied. And exactly I came into this scenario, so I want to make the video on this. So if you have any topic that you want me to cover, please you can add the comment on this post. I will be working on this post, and the next video will be absolutely the CI/CD plan, as it has the highest vote till. So this is not in our existing any projects, so I'm just showing you the new project here. So let me quickly recap what are the things here. If I go in fee payment, this is the let's say this is the school management system. So here we will have class, learners, and this is the fee payment management part, right? So here what I need to do is, currently I am just listing all the invoices, but it's not a good idea. So what I need is, whenever I filter the user, let's say any user, then I get this result, right? So similarly I only want to get the invoice of that particular person, particular student, right here. So let me quickly show you the code. So this fee payment management, it is my custom page, right? So I have just using both interacts with forms and tables, so I can add the forms and tables here easily, right? And this is the custom component. So here what I have done is I have just make a learner ID, this, and class ID, this, and I think stream ID is also here, right? I'll just make them null at start, right? So if I go to my form, so I don't want to go deep dive into these forms because we have already discussed about these parts. So I have just a class ID, and after the state is updated, it updates other values like stream ID and then the learner ID. So it means, so if I go to grade 1, then only the streams of grade 1 will appear, and the students only of that particular grade and stream will be shown here in the list, right? So we have already discussed about this. So now how we can make this filter work on the basis of this source result, not directly as it is. Now let me refresh. So first of all, what we are going to do is, we have a table method here, right? I am just using this table method. So here I want to say, at first I don't want to show anything, right? Where ID I can do null, or any type of query that will never exist. You can do anything, right? So if I refresh here, of course there will be no transaction. Why? Because there will be no ID which will be nullable in our database. Perfect. So but what I need to check is, since if you see here I have this learner ID, right? But whenever this learner ID is set, I need to show the invoice of that. So what I can do is, if not $this learner ID, right? Since it is the library component, we can easily access our values. So I can do like this. Else what I can do is return invoice where learner ID is $this, let me learner ID first, let's say, or not first, let me say get, right? So what will happen is, whenever I will get this learner ID, then it will run this command, and if I don't have any learner ID, then it will run this command. It means our table will be empty. So if I let me refresh this, let me try grade 1 green, and let me add the student anyone, Sophia. Oh, okay, clone does not exist. Okay, maybe something, sorry, I need to pass the query. I did get, my bad, because it should return the query. Grade 1 green. I just need to, I mean, like this, not pass the query, sorry. Grade 1 green, then yeah, here now this invoice is the invoice for Daniel Wilson. So currently we don't have any way to here check that part, but let me, if remember this ID, it's something 6A604, right? If I try to search another user, or let me refresh this table first. Let me go to, let's say, James Taylor. Yeah, the invoice is different, right? So this is how we can load our table when the filters are applied. This is the same work as the filter, and whenever the values will be updated, it will automatically refresh this page, right? And we can just query them. So I think you will like this video. Thank you guys for watching this, and so if you have any cover topics, please comment down below, and the next video will be CI/CD plan, action plan for this, right? Thank you.